Hey everybody, quick little project share. It is Wednesday, May 9th at 9:30 in the morning. I have to get my act together because I'm now going to stain the backyard, right out the back door area. You'll see. I'll give you videos or pictures. But I had to make my Mother's Day cards because I didn't do that yet. And the Mother's Day cards I made with the 2-card tutorials on Saturday and Sunday actually went to Jan's Crazy Life because she was the winner. So don't forget, today is Craft Every Day in May, sponsored by Jane's Crazy Life. And I'll link everybody below who's in that challenge. But I wanted to show you my cute Mother's Day cards with the same cards that I gave you all that are in the file section of my Facebook group, Donna Powered by Creativity. So this is for my sister, who is a mom of 4-legged children's. And this is for my mother-in-law because she loves purple. And then this cute little one is for Danica. Can you see? A lot of bling. And I did do the black bling at the top. She loves black. So she is the mom of Quinn, Willow, and Tierney. So isn't that a cute personalized card? Lots of bling on there. And then I will have one more card, but I'm not doing that this morning. What I'm doing this morning is I'm gonna sit here and just chat with you for a few minutes. Just trying to get my act together. Like I said, it's only 9:30 and I like to get out of the craft room by at least noon. But I'll get out of there a lot earlier today. And I'll probably get back in a couple times throughout the day because I take breaks because my knees start to hurt after staining the deck. The deck is ready. The part that I'm doing today is 40 feet by 20 feet. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of work to do. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm gonna make, look how pretty this came out. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't know what I'm doing with this yet. I don't know what I'm doing with the top. But this is, I love this. Actually, I have to give that a coat of Mod Podge. Mod Podge, yay! So what I'm doing today is I'm doing another one of these, but I'm doing it for Shannon. Shannon is Vinny's girlfriend. It's for her mom. Because I will see her this weekend. Because Vinny and Shannon are graduating college on Saturday. Oh my God, what a week I'm going to have. Oh my gosh, I couldn't get that open. Yeah, in fact, I'm going to have to get... See, I am crafting every day in May, but seems like every craft I'm doing takes multiple days. So I'm trying to do the video, work the video that, or shoot the video or upload the video for the craft that I did the most for that day. Who knows? But I have a lot going on. Like, I have graduation cards that I've got to finish and get done for them. And then I will have one more Mother's Day card to go with the purple wine glass. So I'm not going to make this video too long because uploading takes forever. Ever. So don't forget, I have a secret giveaway going on. So don't forget to go look for that giveaway. And I'm thinking that I'm going to add something to that little pouch here in a minute. Let me just get, yeah, you know what? I'm going to add something to that pouch right now. Okay, so inside this pouch there's 3 things total. The pouch and 2 other things. Now, inside this pouch, we're going to add these. They're like mosaic stickers, and they come in this awesome blue. All right, So that's what I'm putting inside the pouch today. So this would be item number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Item number 4 is inside this pouch. I just want to say thank you to everybody for watching me, subscribing, leaving me messages. So I have the pouch right in front of me. And I just want to give back because you all make me extremely happy. I love crafting, and it's my way of crafting with you all. Honestly, I don't have any crafting friends local. My BFF that used to play with me, be my partner in crime with crafts, she now lives in Texas. So we don't get to see each other but maybe once a year. And when we do, we're not crafting. We go on a little BFF getaway. And this year's getaway, she's coming to town, and we're going to go see Philadelphia. We're going to go see, you know, all the sites in Philly. I haven't been there since, I think I was in the 4th grade, you know, like the Liberty Bell and Betsy Ross's house and anything that has to do with the founding of our country. I just wanted you guys to be with me while I did this. This is like one of my favorite things to do. So this is, like I said, for Shannon's mom for Mother's Day. Just a cute little gift. I mean, I don't drink wine. I don't like wine. I don't know what's wrong with me. But I still have my Beauty and the Beast glass, but I drink my water out of it, my soda out of it. I do all that. So you don't have to be a wine drinker to like these glasses. Glasses from the Dollar Tree. The sparkle and glitter I've had. And it's a nice way to use it up. And honestly, the more and more I play with bling, the more and more I like it. I don't know how great the color is coming up, but this is such a beautiful purple. Alright, so this is just one coat of the Mod Podge and sprinkles. Yeah, got ice cream on the brain. It's going to be a beautiful day. So this is just the first coat. So, I'll show you. Look how beautiful. I love these silly things. And they're not difficult to make. I'll wait, about a half hour in between coats. So I'm going to go turn my music on for outside. I'm going to get my tools together as I make a mess. My paint and everything. And then I'll come back in. I'll take a break, come back in. I'll give it a second coat. So this is going to be my throughout the day craft. And you'll probably see the finished product probably tomorrow. So I want everybody to have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you for watching me and play with glitter. I'm being messy today. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a message. I'd love to talk to you all. Alright everybody, have a great day. This was just my little project share for crafting every day in May. And don't forget, go look for that giveaway, that hidden giveaway. It's called the Sneaky giveaway. Alright everybody, I will see you all real soon. Bye.